Yo, YouTube. Get this out of here a little bit. I wanted to show you guys. Told you guys to give you guys a little bit more of an update whenever we're farther along. Well, as you see, we got the bags in. We got the 4-link and cantilever kit completely installed now. Shocks are in. Both sides completely installed. Shocks, panhard bar is in. Pretty excited. I got the POR rust remover stuff. I grinded all the rust down. It wasn't like bad or anything. It was just little crappy surface rust. Kind of like that right there. I need to hit that little spot. But I did all the bed rails and stuff because I just didn't want it to get no farther along. Did all back there. Tucked the little wiring up a little bit better. That's my license plate light. I'm actually gonna fix that and redo that. But yeah, dude, I'm pretty excited. Actually, I don't know if I mean, it'll be in the same video, but I don't remember if earlier I said that we was gonna have to relocate the air compressors, but we're not. The air compressors sit on the inside of this bracket here, not on the outside, so them brackets for the air compressors can stay. The only thing we gotta do is put a new support beam going from this side to this side for all the evap stuff, which is right there. Put all the evap stuff back on, and then we're gonna make another support beam, probably going from I would guess probably about right here, center of it, instead of where this was. We'll go right here to the center, over there to the center of that one, and hopefully pull the tank up some. Get the tank from hanging so low like it was. But yeah, man, everything's coming along really good. And I'm actually gonna undercoat the rest of the bare spots like this. I'm probably not gonna undercoat it much yet. I'm just gonna use some, black paint. And whenever I have this rear end narrowed and that axle seal fixed over there, and have the rear end narrowed, I'll probably just go ahead and have them naturally sandblast the rear end, put a cool pumpkin cover, and sandblast the rear end, have them powder coat it so it looks really good. And then at that time, when I do that, I'm really thinking about pulling the bed off and having the bed flipped over and blasting the other side of this bed right here. I actually have a little portable sandblaster, and I'm thinking about just blasting all the front, bed rails and stuff like that, and then just using like a Raptor liner or something for all underneath the bed. I'll use some of this POR and stop any other little rust, and then I'll just Raptor line it, and it should look really good under here. And at that point in time, I'll just either Raptor line the frame, or just actually get some frame coating, frame paint, and paint the frame up. But everything else is powder coated. All this stuff I had powder coated, so I ain't gotta worry about that ever rusting. But it's in, man. The dang 4-link is in. This is a really nice kit. This is made by Chassis Works kit, so I'm sure if anybody knows anything about Chassis Works, they're a really good place to get stuff from. I still need to order exhaust. You know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and order this exhaust today. So yeah, I need to get that out the way because that looks like doo-doo, man. Looks like pure doo-doo. But I still haven't decided on when we're gonna do the front of the truck. The new control arms and stuff, which it's all over there. if you see right here by the, see the blue ball joints up there, them good blue Moogs. That's some big old heavy DJM. That's the lower ball joint, or the lower control arm right there. And then the other white box right over, where's my finger? Right over there. That box right there is my upper control arms. So yeah. And then there's my flamethrower. Yeah, man. It is definitely getting there. We're super, super close. I think the only thing we got to do now, more or less, is hook the air tanks up, reroute them, reroute all the lines, the air lines though. The air lines were routed like crap. I think I told you guys that. I'll reroute all the air lines. Put the compressors on, put the block on, valve block on, and air tank. Well, naturally we have to rewire. We have to rewire. I can't talk today. Rewire all of the air ride. It was kind of crappy. They had wires all pinched up in here and stuff, man, and the wires just. It's not the wiring that I would have did. I'm real meticulous and really, really anal about my wiring. So yeah, we'll fix all that and she should be good to go. Hoping maybe another couple days. I know it's been longer than expected, but hang in there with me. Maybe another couple more days. Maybe clean up a couple extra welds that I don't care for. But other than that, we should be good. I did the POR stuff on here to stop all the rust that was going on with that pumpkin cover. That thing was horrible, as you guys seen. But yeah, she's close, man. She's a close one. You know, and I did do this. I did put the POR stuff all through there, because I had a little bit of rust coming up through there. Stop that, and I repainted my, used, you know, good caliber paint and stuff, and repainted the rotors here. Both rear rotors. Those turned out pretty decent. And we gotta reroute the brake lines through. They gave us, this kit actually came with holders for the brake lines, the emergency brakes, which is pretty cool. Do away with this one and route it through there. It's pretty neat. Glad that it came with it. No extra BS. But yeah, this stuff's really good. If you guys never used it, this stuff's really awesome, man. I highly suggest it. Stops rust in its tracks. Prevents it and seals it up real nice. Alright, man. I ain't gonna talk you guys' ear off no longer. Shoot out another video once this is a little bit even farther along. Once we got all the compressors and stuff mounted up and the block and the tank and all that, I'll shoot you guys out another video. But man, for real, thanks for everything. Thanks for watching all the videos that I've posted. Thanks for subscribing, all the new subscribers. There's a lot more content coming, including this monster. 1500 horsepower monster, turbo monster right here. So stay tuned, I'm gonna have some great content with the Chevelle, the Hummer, my dually, my CTSV, and Jack's boy. See him tilt his little head. That's my little shop buddy. Yep, he's a good boy. Okay, no more talking. But also, one of my favorite YouTubers right here for Fabs. Automotive YouTuber, one of the best guys in the business right there. If you don't know who Puddin's Fab Shop is, gosh dang it, you're not really watching YouTube now, are you? Check that guy out. I ain't even gotta know, he's way past me in subscribers naturally. And I'm giving this man a shout out. He's awesome. Yeah. All right, me and Jack's boys, howdy.